Hello children, I hope you all are safe and studying at home. Today in English, we are going to learn alphabet I. Alphabet I. In previous video, you have learned alphabet H. Alphabet H. Now we will do little bit of revision with alphabet H. H is for hen. H is for hen. Repeat after me. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. H is for helicopter. Repeat after me. H is for helicopter. H is for horse. Repeat after me. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for house. H is for house. Repeat again. H is for house. Now we will learn alphabet I. Alphabet I. We will learn some words that starts with letter I. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. Repeat after me, children. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for ink pot. I is for ink pot. Repeat again. I is for ink pot. I is for iron. I is for iron. Repeat again. I is for iron. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Repeat after me. I is for ice cream. This is capital I. Capital I. I is for ink pot. I is for ink pot. Repeat after me. I is for ink pot. We will write it in 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So first we will draw in first line sleeping line like this. And in third line again we will draw sleeping line. And in the middle we will draw standing line. This is capital I. Again in first line sleeping line. In third line again sleeping line. And in the middle standing line. This is letter I. Sleeping line and standing line. This is letter I. First line sleeping line, third line again sleeping line and standing line. This is letter I. Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. This is letter I. Sleeping line in the first line, again sleeping line in the third line and standing line in the middle. This is letter I. Sleeping line and standing line. Sleeping line in the first line, sleeping line in the third line and standing line in the middle. This is letter I. I is for ink pot. I is for ink pot. Children, for homework, you will do page number 12 and 13. 13 in BZB Preset English 1. Children, I hope you have understood how to write letter I. Thank you. Have a nice day.